Air fryer paper liners, 7.9 inches by 1.77 inches. Not too bad. I'll pop them in the air fryer tray and we'll see what it looks like. I've got my air fryer base there, and the paper tray fits in nicely, so that'll make it very easy for me to clean this unit up once I finish frying in it. This paper tray should catch the oil that drips off the food that's cooking in the air fryer, and it'll make cleanup a lot easier. Great little invention, this thing, if you're looking for, well, less work in the kitchen. And I cooked a few chips earlier, and that's the oil that come out of them, and the bag lifted up, nice clean base. So these things are absolutely worth the money if you're looking for, bags to keep your air fryer nice and clean. Can't go past them.